How to safely recover after fires, storms, and floods. Colorado hazard control. Natural disasters like fires, floods, and storms can cause severe and sometimes hidden damage to homes and commercial properties. Colorado hazard control breaks down the critical steps to take immediately after disaster strikes, from ensuring personal safety and securing the scene to properly shutting down HVAC and power systems to prevent further contamination or hazards. The video emphasizes why re-entering a damaged building without professional clearance can be dangerous, especially when asbestos, mold, or lead-based paint may be involved. Proper documentation, professional assessment, and license remediation are key to a safe recovery. Colorado Hazard Control explains the importance of working with trained and insured experts to handle cleanup and abatement. Learn why prompt response and compliance with health and safety regulations can protect your property, your health, and your insurance claims. Whether you're a homeowner, landlord, or property manager, this guide ensures you're prepared for emergency cleanup and environmental recovery.